This chapter seems kind of confusing to me.
I mean, a lot of it's the same from the last thing, right? From the last chapter.
Yeah, and I always feel kind of confused, and then after I take the quiz with you guys, I feel like it all makes so much more sense. I don't know. Just working through it together. Here, Luke, look. Here, go sit down. Okay, go sit down. Okay.
Okay, I'm opening my spreadsheet. It's still categorical data analysis, right?
Yes, I believe so.
Wait. For the one that we just did? I think we're still in linear regression.
Okay, quantitative inference procedure.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. I can't even remember.
Uh-oh. Did I just hang up on you guys? No, you're there. Okay.
Mommy, what kind is this? Mom, what kind is this?
Lavender.
Sleepy time.
Okay, I've got everything open now too.
Okay. Okay.
The true linear.
Okay, we need these two different things. It always takes such a long time to just get everything open.
I know.
I know.
Oh gosh, mine are not wanting to load. The Excel sheets. Are yours loaded?
I'm waiting on one more.
I just got mine loaded.
Okay, I guess I'll keep trying to do it while we start. Okay, hopefully it loads while we're going.
Yeah. Until question 6, so.
Okay.
Yeah, we got.
I might just have to hang up and call you, just if it's not working. My Wi-Fi is really bad right now. Okay.
Dang Wi-Fi. All right, what are the null and alternative hypotheses for B1?
I think this one is B1 equals 0. B1 doesn't equal 0.
Let's see. The null hypothesis are HO B1 equals 0, and then HA B1 not equal 0.
Yeah, I think that's right.
Okay.
Okay.
So C, the third one down, is that what you're thinking too?
Yeah.
Yeah, that makes sense.
A residual.
So the null and the alternative never are the y. It's always the x.
Yeah, it looks like it's always the slope of the line. Yeah.
Okay, a residual
Is the difference
scatter plot.
between the observed value of y and the predicted value of y on the regression line. So I think the answer is C.
I'm looking at in the book where it says y subtract y with a hat equals y subtract bo plus b1x.
I just read that from what I just read from the summary.
Oh, okay.
It says a residual is the difference between the observed value of y for a given x and the predicted value of y on the regression line for the same x.
Okay, Lindsay, I have to call you because my
Is your
computer's
internet
not working.
second? Okay, call me.
Okay, I don't even know if I can cancel out of Google Hangouts.
Technology is maddening. Just maddening. Josh, are you there?
Yeah, I'm here. Some of the stuff on the book.
Hello? Hey girl, I'll put you on speaker so you can hear Josh. Can you hear us, Marin?
Yeah.
Okay. Are we on question 5 now, guys?
Number 4 was C, right?
4 was C. Josh, did you think 4 was C? Josh, can you hear us?
That looks right. Yeah.
Josh,
Can you guys
are
hear me?
you alive?
You guys not hear me?
No, I can hear you now. You
Oh,
were having slow response time.
okay.
It's a disease my husband has also.
Yeah, I think it's the.
Okay. So now we're on number 5. A plot of residuals supports using linear regression when... I actually don't remember reading about this. Oh, was it the megaphone shape?
I think it's normally distributed, but I'm not for sure.
A plot of residuals supports using linear regression when... yeah, that would make sense.
Since there's no requirement for linear
Yeah, scatter plot. Mhm.
distributed normally.
Yeah,
Constant.
it says in the textbook, if the points in the QQ plot are close to the line, then we conclude that the residuals are normally distributed.
So I think it's not A, I'd say.
Yep, I think you're right. For the next 8 problems, how many problems are on here? Oh, crap.
Oh, God.
The night we're all in a hurry. Okay, so we need to open up the math self-efficiency.
Okay.
16 problems.
4 by 5. Yeah, 4 by 5.
Okay.
So we got to be careful. We got to be careful on this one. Use the confidence variable as so the confidence variable on the math self thing spreadsheet and you as y.
Oh, okay.
So right.
Because basically the order that it is in. We're out of
There's
place.
switch on the math self sheet. The columns are
On the math self-efficiency. My confidence rating is on the right, so that would make sense to then make that to view the Y.
well, on here, on the question, it says use the confidence variable as the explanatory variable and the response.
Oh, yep, you're right. We got to switch it.
So we need to use as X.
We got to switch it.
Okay, so this confident negative.
Okay, I finally got it all in there right. Now, what's the first question? Compute the residuals for the data using software. What statement best describes the residuals? So we got to look at the graph, right?
Well, we just gotta look at the residual in the line. Oh, I guess it's supposed to say graphic too. Well, they are the linear pattern. They're not all negative. I don't know if they're all between 40 and 25. We're almost out of ice. Almost out of ice. Let me see.
Okay, I'm in my class. I can't really see right now.
Yeah.
I think it's B equals or negative.
Were they all? I totally didn't even notice that. They're not all negative.
They're not negative, and they're not between negative 40 and 25.
Are you sure they're not all under 25?
Yeah, just looking at the graph, it looks like there's a couple that are at 100. Oh, I'm looking at that wrong. Sorry. All right, let's do this.
I think they all. Mom, here it goes. Okay, so I think this one will linear pattern.
Oh, between negative 40 and 25.
Erin says she thinks it's the residuals form a linear pattern.
That's the one I think too, but I also think it's R between 25 the difference.
What do you think?
Josh said he thinks that the residuals form a linear pattern, but he also thinks that the residuals are between about negative 40 and 25.
Because I did a max and min on the residuals, and the max is 23.4, and the min is negative 38.
Let's choose the residuals are between about negative 40 and 25.
That one?
It also says what statement best describes the residual, so they might be two of them might be true.
But it's not letting me click. Oh, so I see what you're saying. So they could both be true, and we just need to choose which one best describes them.
Yeah, so what matters more? Does it matter what numbers they're in between, or does it look their function?
I think it'd make more sense if, like, it matters more if they're linear rather than if they're between a certain number range.
That's what I think too. Okay, so we should say they form a linear pattern.
Let's try it.
Stick with that one.
based on the QQ plot, what can you say about these residuals?
I would say they're fairly normal.
Yeah, I don't think they're super right skewed. I mean, I think it's normal. So yeah.
Well, this one, don't we have to put the residuals themselves in a QQ plot?
Mm,
Oh, I didn't even do that.
let's try it.
So we need our other screen open. Okay.
So many things open.
I know.
I need two big computer screens where I can click and drag stuff to different screens and keep it all open. Wouldn't that be great?
Mm-hmm.
I had that at my internship and I got so spoiled, and now I'm like stuck at home on my little teeny laptop screen. I'm like, oh, I need a bigger computer screen, like 3 of them where I can click and drag stuff.
We just need to find them for the residuals, right? That's the only information we put in.
Man, mine looks like a square, you guys.
Square?
Yeah, like my blue dots are like seriously like a square on here. Did I do something wrong?
I did mine wrong. There's no way this is right.
Can I see your screen? I want to see what it looks like.
How many did you have, Josh? I have 140.
Oh, just like numbers?
Yeah.
Not this one. There we go. Two down to. I had 139.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that's what I have too. My first line's that. Okay, here, I'll show you my screen. I must have done something wrong. What? I don't know.
Oh, okay.
Okay, here's my screen. Let me get there. See that? See what I mean by it looks like a square?
Oh, okay. And then you have to sort them.
Oh, yeah, I always forget that in here. I have to sort them. All right, and then let's see, right click. Or, oh, over here, sort and filter. There it is. Oh, dear. I forgot that with the QQ plot. That looks better.
Yeah, that looks like it's.
It's ascending, right?
Yes, descending.
No, ascending.
I think it works either way. Josh, do you know?
For which? Oh, is this 8?
She wants to know if you sort it in descending or ascending order.
No, if the residuals are in ascending, or I think they're ascending.
Ascending, he says.
Yeah, it has
So you
it's
start
going.
with the smallest and go to the largest.
Yeah.
Okay, mine's just a perfect linear. I mean, it's perfectly diagonal.
Yeah, mine was too. Yep.
Mm-hmm.
Given the scatter plot, residuals plot, and the QQ plot, which of the 5 assumptions about linear regression are satisfied by this data? Check all that apply. There is a linear relationship between X and Y. We click that one, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I believe so.
The residuals are normally distributed, yes.
Yes.
And the rest, I'm not sure about. Where's our list of 5 things?
Values are measured.
The next thing is the error term is normally distributed.
Oh, the error term. Yeah.
The x's are fixed and measured without error.
So we click that one too. X values are measured without error.
What does that mean?
Oh, I have no idea.
It says none of which the x's can be considered as known constants.
It says there are 5 requirements for a linear regression model. All 5 of those have to be true. So do we just click all 5 of them?
Sure, let's try that.
I'm thinking that's what we do. If it's
Yeah.
if it's a linear regression model, all 5 of those have to be true. And we just saw that it was linear, right?
Yeah.
Okay, I think that's true. Let's check all of them and try that. So number 9, I think Dusty was the slope for D1. I think it's 12.695.
That's what I'm thinking too.
Yeah, that looks right.
So the lower bound would be the confidence interval, right?
I think so. So would it be 10.674, 14.715? Did you drink all your tea?
Oh. Yeah, that makes sense. I was looking at the other confidence level, but I think that's right.
Josh, what
I
do you
remember
think?
using. Yeah, I remember using like the 10.674, like where that is. I remember using it on the preparation, I think.
On the homework,
So,
yeah.
either on this one or the last preparation, I can't remember, but
We use the confidence interval from the same line to slope. Elliot, come. Okay, so number 12 is probably edited what decisions we make regarding the hypothesis. So we look at the p-value. Way higher. That means we fail to reject. Right?
what did you say?
I think we failed to reject the null hypothesis.
I think we reject it because there's the E negative 24 next to it, which means
Oh, you're right. That means it's really small.
Which p-value are we looking at for this, guys? Are we looking?
P1 p-value.
We're looking at what?
B1
Yeah.
value.
Okay. Is the p-value that we're going to get for
Reject it.
that always going to be B1?
What decision would you make? What the? I think it will be. I think it'll always be B1.
Okay.
So we think it's C.
Yeah.
Right? hypothesis, that means there is sufficient.
If you reject the null, I'm just
This
looking
one
for
is-
the wording in the
Oh,
book.
yeah. I think this one is D. Because the null hypothesis was B1 is not equal to 0. And since we just found that, since we rejected the null, I think it's
Get out of
D.
here.
So you think it's C?
No, D.
Talk about the slope. I'm looking in the book and not finding it.
What's the door? Okay, that makes. I had to work it out in my head, but yeah, okay, now we have the crocodile one.
Yeah.
Head length by body length.
Length was used. Okay.
So the dependent variable is what?
I think head length is the first one, and body length is the second one. So that's how it reads.
Well, the first question, question 14, is asking which variable is the dependent variable.
Oh, body length.
Okay, that's what I was thinking. I'm looking up my definition real fast. The dependent variable is the one that you're trying to predict?
Yeah.
Are we sure?
Do you guys know how to delete a few things really fast?
I just highlight it using control on my arrows. Okay.
Are we on 15?
Yes. I'm pasting my info now. Sorry, I'm taking forever.
No, you're good. I just
One. You guys
What?
hear me?
Yeah, what?
Are you saying the body length is Y?
Josh, is the body length Y then?
Yeah, the body length is Y.
And the
Can you
head
hear me?
length is X?
Yes, Josh, I can hear you. And yes,
Okay.
Marin. Okay,
Okay, that's what I thought.
we got the info all in. Now it wants to determine the margin of error for this 95% confidence interval. Oh, I don't remember where that is on here. Is that the standard error?
I have no idea. I don't think we ever answered that question.
I don't think we ever answered that question either.
Wait, if you guys, I thought you guys, wait, is the dependent variable body length?
Yeah, dependent variable is the body length.
All right, I'm looking through the chapter for anything about margin of error.
Well, it's gonna be exactly the same. We just use the information for P1.
For margin of error?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
We subtract the big one from the small one and then divide that by 2, right?
Yeah, I think
That
so.
makes perfect sense. I guess I'm just frustrated, like, it didn't talk about that in the chapter.
I know.
You're right, it didn't.
What the heck?
So I got 0.442.
Yeah, that's what I got.
0.4 what?
2.
0.442.
Okay. And then the lower bound and upper bound. Is that asking for B1?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So 7.218 and then 8.103. Is that what you've got?
Yeah, that's what I got.
Oh, here's those ones I never get right.
I think it's 95% confident.
Yeah, that would have. Yeah, out of those 3, that's what I think it is. Usually there's like 6 of them.
So which one are you thinking? I'm thinking the first one.
Yeah, that's what I think.
Okay.
I'll take that first and see if we get them right.
Thanks for taking one for the team, girl.
I'm just glad my computer's working now. I don't know what's wrong.
Oh, do you want me to hang up my phone?
No, it's fine. It's working.
Oh, okay. You're still talking to me from your phone, not from the computer?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, we missed. We missed 13.
13. Oh, really?
Oh, that's weird.
I put D. What did you guys put?
I put D, like
Oh,
dog.
Yeah.
Oh, I probably.
You probably just heard us wrong. We'll
Yeah,
try
you said-
D.
You think it's D?
Yeah, that's the one that I clicked.
Okay, and then we got number 8 wrong.
8? Was 8?
Oh.
Oh, crap.
Okay.
Huh.
All right, so we gotta look those up, huh?
I assumed that they all had to be satisfied.
And we got number 6 wrong.
And number 6.
Jeez.
Yeah.
Dang, so it must be A for number 6 then.
Yeah,
Okay.
it must be A.
Let's try that.
I have the list of the 5 requirements right here. I'll read them to you guys if you want.
Well, they're right in front of us. They're correct on the quiz. Those are the 5 requirements, right? Or is something off on them? Right? Aren't those them on question 8?
Yeah, basically, I mean, it gives a little more detail, but yeah, you're right. That's basically it.
These must be satisfied in order to conduct a hypothesis test or create confidence intervals. What the heck? Okay, well, for each one of those requirements, we have to do something else. Well, like we have to do something to prove it. So
Yeah.
what we need to do is figure out what we're proving when we make a scatter plot, what we're proving when we make a residual plot, what we're proving when we make a QQ plot.
Okay, so I just read on here, so I did a scatter plot for the math efficiency data. And it looks like there's an outlier on the scatter plot. And in the book, it says if there are outliers in the residual plot, that suggests that the error terms are not normally distributed.
Oops.
But it also should be apparent in the QQ plot of the residuals, which we did not find that in the QQ plot. So I don't know.
It was probably there and we just didn't notice it because it was like on top of the line or something.
Hmm.
Okay.
Oh, you're right. It's down at the very, very bottom. Of the QQ plot. There's a little, yeah.
So we did the residual and it wasn't. So the residual proves.
So this is saying that if there are outliers in the residual plot, that suggests that the error terms are not normally distributed. So the error terms.
So we can unclick the second one maybe.
Variance of the error.
And C, unclick C.
The residuals are normally distributed.
And
well, I think this one was just test. Oh yeah, and click C. Sorry. Yeah.
so maybe I'll try submitting it with just A and the first one and the last one checked. Thoughts?
Okay, I'm curious to see if that's right.
Josh, you want me to try that?
Yeah, you selected A, D, and E. Is that right?
No, right now I only have A and E.
Oh, okay. Yeah, go for it.
I'll try it and see. Let's see. All right. All right, 8 we did not get right.
Mm-hmm.
14. I got 14. Oh, that was my bad. I just clicked the wrong thing. I missed 14, but it's just because I clicked the wrong thing. And 8. So Josh, for 8, try A, D, and E.
Okay. A, D, and E. Still got it wrong.
What? Oh, Marin, I just hung up on Marin.
So strange, man. Wrong.
Huh.
Oh, you know
I'll
what?
have to ask him. Sorry, Marin. Marin?
Hey, sorry, I don't know what happened.
No, I hung up on you on accident. I picked up my phone and hung up on you while I was picking it up. I'm sorry.
Okay. I'm looking at the PowerPoint presentation, and it looks like we each just need to make a slide about what our paper was about. How we each wrote a different paper. We just each need to make one slide about that.
Oh, that's cool.
Okay, yes.
So I will make a PowerPoint tomorrow on Google, and I will share it with both of you guys so we can all edit it.
Okay.
Okay,
Yeah.
and then we can just copy whatever template you use.
Yeah, exactly.
Because we're gonna want them to mesh.
Yeah. You'll be able to see exactly what mine looks like, and I'll just pick like the normal one.
Okay. Josh, did you do make inference and take action?
Yeah.
Okay. I only did one slide then, and you guys each have two. Well, I guess it doesn't have to be two. I'll do like an introduction, one that has all of our names in it and what we were doing, and I'll make it look pretty.
Okay, sounds
Okay.
good. And then one of us, like I guess I should do the conclusion one. We just write like what we would do differently in a summary.
I'll do the conclusion since I don't have as much info as you guys. I had the easiest thing.
Well, I feel bad. I don't feel like you should have to do two.
Well, why
What?
should you have to do two, Marin?
Oh, it just doesn't make me feel bad.
It's fine. I'll do it. I'm on it.
Okay, I will make that tomorrow.
Make one. It doesn't have to be finalized, but just at least so Josh and I can see what template you're using.
Okay, and I'll just share it with you guys on Google.
Sounds good, girl.
Okay, I'll talk to you guys 4:30 on Thursday.
Yep, that
Yeah.
should work.
Okay, sounds good. Talk to
Okay,
you guys later.
I'll post this now. Thanks, guys. See you later. Good night.
Good night.